Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to fold a paper cloth. So let's get started. First we're going to need a paper and some tape. So first we're going to put the paper this way, get this piece and fold it like, take right up here and fold it to make it look like that. Then we're gonna crease it. Go. Then we're gonna take the top edge and fold it down to make it look like a house. And then crease it back. We're gonna take the bottom here. Then we're going to take the bottom here and fold it upwards like that. And then we're going to do that on the other side too. Make it look like that. Then we're going to take this piece and fold it up. Like that. And then we're going to fold it against each other. To make it look like that. Now, here's the tricky part. So, let me kill it down. So, now we're going to take this side and make it look like, that. Make it look like this. So fold that into there. Then we're gonna fold it again. Then we're gonna fold it again to make it look like a V shape. Then this pocket right there. Fold this into that, crease it down, get your tape, oh God, and tape it. There, now we got a paper cloth. So now I'm gonna pause this video and make some more paper cloths. But first, how you put them on is get to the bottom and put it on like that. Or you can go from this way. I'm gonna pause the video right now and make some more. So guys, I'm back and let me show you my hands. Okay, let me demonstrate for you.
What? No.
My car fell off.
Yeah, take it. Wait, tape it on.
No, don't
tape it on.
No.
Oh. And I will use this tape for an exercise.
Okay. So back. Now, hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye. Okay. Okay.